In the last video, we discussed operators and its types. Along with that we learnt various additional concepts of conversion and how does left and right shift operators work. We have also learnt operator precedence. Let's proceed with the next video of this playlist. Today we will discuss conditional statements in Python. We will also solve many problems associated with it for better understanding. This video is a part of the complete DSA using Python playlist. Access the playlist from description so you don't miss any video. Along with that, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell so you stay on track, and also like this video. Alright, let's jump right into the video. Let's imagine a situation. You went to a nearby cafe to have some coffee. A waiter came and asked, "Would you like some tea?" You replied, "No, I would like a cup of coffee." The waiter then said, "I'm sorry, but coffee is not available right now." So, you agreed to have tea instead, since it was available. What just happened? This is exactly how a conditional statement works. If coffee is available, bring coffee. Else bring tea. Let's code this situation in Python to understand it in a better way. You can see extra white space before print statement, which is called indentation to define scope in the code. Other programming languages use curly brackets for this purpose. But in case of Python we need to give extra spaces. Done. Our code runs fine. Now, what if tea is also not available? In this case, you need to check more than one condition. That's where elif comes in. It stands for else if. When the program checks the if condition and it's false, it moves to the elif condition to see if that one is true. You can write multiple elif conditions to handle different possibilities. Fine. Hope till now everything is clear. Let's see the definition of conditional statements. Conditional statements in Python are instructions that let a program decide which block of code to be executed and which one to not. There are two types of conditional statements: if-else statement and match case statement. As we have already seen one example, now let's learn how to take custom inputs from user in Python. Easy, right? Now it's up to you whether you want to print that input message or not. You can also remove that input message. Now, as we saw how to take user-defined string inputs, we can also take input of different data types. Only you need to do is typecast the input value while taking the user input. Let's do it with integer value. Now, let's try solving some questions. In this program you need to enter a number from user and print whether it's even or odd. You can pause the video and solve. An even number is completely divisible by 2. So we have written this condition saying if a number leaves 0 remainder on dividing it by 2, then it is even, else it is odd. Done. Our code is working correct. Now, let me introduce you to a new concept, which is ternary operator. The ternary operator in Python offers a way to write simple conditional statements in a single line. It chooses between two values based on a condition, making code more compact and readable. Its syntax is as follows. Value if true, then if condition, along with if keyword, then else keyword, then value if false. Let's try writing ternary operator for the previous questions we solved just now. Here, status variable will store the output of the ternary operator. Let's proceed with the next question. Pause the video and solve it. In this question, we need to take input from the user and check whether the number is a 3-digit number or not. As we know, the smallest 3-digit number is 100 and the largest 3-digit number is 999. So, all 3-digit number will come between 100 and 999. Cool. Our code runs correctly. Now, let's try writing ternary operator for this question. The format for writing ternary operator is simple. First write the value if the condition is true, then if condition followed by else keyword and then else value. Moving on to the next question, take an input year from the user and then check whether the year is leap year or not. You can pause the video and try it. A leap year is a year in which we have 366 days in place of 365 days. A leap year is repeated after every 4 years. So, if any year is divisible by 4, that means it's a leap year. Fine. 2024 was a leap year, whereas 2017 wasn't a leap year. Let's move on to another question. In this question, user needs to enter his marks in 5 subjects and the program will calculate its percentage. Along with that, it will also give the grade based on the percentage obtained. The range of the grade is provided in the question. You can pause the video and solve. Let's start solving the question. We will take the input of marks obtained by the user in float type. Note, the full marks for each subject is 100. So, for 5 subjects the total marks will be 500. Note, it is important to maintain the indentation while writing blocks of code. Indentation means the white space which you can see before print statement inside a if, elif and else block. Cool. Our code runs absolutely correct. Let's switch to another question. In this question, user will give 3 number as input and the program will print the biggest number among the 3 numbers entered. A sample test case is given for the question. As an input we are giving 67, 34 and 90. The program will give output as 90. Let's try solving this question. You can also pause the video and try by yourself. In the first if condition we are checking if A is greater than B and C. If the condition is true it means A is the biggest number. Similarly, for B, we are checking whether B is greater than A and C. If true it means B is the biggest number. And if both conditions are false then ultimately C is the biggest number. Nice. Our code is running fine. Now, what if we make a slight change in our question? Instead of printing just the biggest number, let's try printing all the 3 numbers in descending order. For printing all 3 numbers in descending order, we will write nested if-else condition in the existing code. In the first condition, we know A is greater than B and C. So, we just need to check whether B is bigger than C or C is bigger than B. Similar for other cases as well. You can clearly see that our code is generating correct output. Now, moving on to the other type of writing conditional statement, which is match case. Match case was specially designed to handle conditional statements with multiple cases. Here is the syntax shown for it. Let's solve some questions for better understanding. In this question, user will enter any digit from 1 to 7 and the program will print the day name accordingly. If number is not between 1 to 7, then it will print wrong number. Let's try solving it. You can try by pausing the video. Beside match keyword, we will write the expression which will be compared. In this case, we will compare day. And beside case keyword, we will write the actual value of the expression. For example, if the value of day is 1, then print Monday. If value of day is 2, then print Tuesday, and so on. To write the default case, we will use underscore in place of any value. Which means if the value is anything other than 1 to 7, then print wrong number. And done. Our code works absolutely well. In match case statement, we can write multiple cases together. For example, here we have a question. If the value of day is 1 to 5, then print weekday. If the value of day is 6 or 7, then print weekend, else print wrong number. Let's solve it. One last question. Let's now create a mini calculator using match case statement. In this calculator, user will enter two numbers along with the operator which operation he/she needs to perform. And based on the input, the calculator will process the output. Let's start solving. If you can solve, pause the video, solve it, and share your solution in the comments with timestamp. I will give you a heart. Done. Our code runs absolutely fine. Let's check it for some more cases. That's all in this video. Thanks for watching till the end. In the next video, we will learn while loops. Along with that, we will start solving various questions. Post your feedback in the comments if you have any. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Go through the concepts we have learned till now. See you in the next video. Bye.